Assalamualaikum guys. My name is Ramli bin Abdul Najid. Okay, I'm a student from Faculty of Science and Mathematics. Today I would like to review about SPSS, which is widely used for statistics. So what is SPSS? SPSS interface, data view and variable view. How to enter data in SPSS, how to import external data into SPSS, how to clean and edit data, how to get descriptive statistic. Okay, what is SPSS interface? First, we have data view, which is the place to enter the data. We have columns and variables. For the rows, which is record, and for the variable view, which is the place to enter the variables, and the list of all variables, and the characteristic of all variables. Okay, this is the picture for the SPSS. When you enter data in SPSS directly, this is what will you see in SPSS software. Okay, this example for the data of hospital stay data. So when you use the SPSS, this is the example of data that you will use. So when we see throughout the SPSS, okay, we have the SPSS, we have columns. The columns we fill in for the variables, and for the rows we fill in for the cases. Under data review is located at the below of the SPSS software. So guys, when you enter the variables, you will see they have two type variables. First of all, you have to click this window when you enter variables, and secondly, they have type variable name and type numeric or string, and number 4 is description of variable. So the explanation for this: for number 1, click variable view. Number 2, type variable name and the name column. For example, is age. So the note is variable name can be 64 bytes long, and the first character must be a letter or one of the characters. For example, add, hashtag, or money. So number 3, type such as numeric, string, and etc. And number 4 is label. So label, for example, the description of the variables. Alright. So this is the example when you enter the variables when you using the SPSS. So based on your code book, you will see when you use this, like this picture. Alright. So when you enter the cases, okay, you will see an example of this picture. Alright. So import data from Excel. Firstly, you must select file and open and data. So secondly, choose Excel as file type. After that, you select the file that you want to import, and then you click to open. Alright, this is how to import the data. So to open Excel file in SPSS, you just click OK. Alright, worksheet and click OK. Okay, after that, after you have opened that, you must save this file as SPSS data, just like this. So if you want to clean data after import the data files, so first of all, you run cases summaries for all variables. After that, you run frequency for qualitative variables and descriptive for quantitative variables. And you must also check outputs to see if you have variables with wrong values. And after that, you check missing values and physical surveys. If you use paper surveys, and make sure they are real missing. And lastly, sometimes you need to record string variables into numeric variables. So this is the cases summaries, what I'm talking about. Okay, report as what you see, analyze, you can see this from reports until these complex samples, utilities, you can see code box and so on. Alright. So this is the cases processing summary after you have done it. Just like this you have seen. And also this is the cases summaries for the data. And for the basic statistical analysis, okay, first of all, for the descriptive statistic, we have 3 types. Okay, first of all, you must find the wrong entries. If anything wrong, you have to find it. And secondly, if you have basic knowledge about the sample and the targeted variables in a study, okay. And after that, the lastly, okay, you must summarize the data. So this is about the qualitative variables. Okay, first of all, you must analyze the descriptive statistic into the frequency. Just like this, frequency, you can see, for example, for the variables, you can see sex, the UC, antibiotic. This is an example of the variables. So after you click, you will get the data like this. You get the pie chart, you get a kind of table like this. So the qualitative variables, okay, this is for the quantitative. For the quantitative variables, also same like qualitative, you analyze first the descriptive statistic into descriptives. Alright. So this is example of quantitative. The representative into the histogram or the box plot, you can see. Okay, duration of stay, for example, like this lah, histogram and box plot. Okay, that's all for me. Hope you will know about SPSS little bit. Thank you so much.